Set number 8 for MCQs. First question, a solid sphere and a hollow sphere of same mass and radius roll down an inclined plane without slipping. Which reaches the bottom first? Now here, when they are asking it is without slipping, that means here you will have to consider their moment of inertia. So moment of inertia of the two objects should be known to you. So there are two things given. One is solid sphere, other one is hollow sphere. Moment of inertia of solid sphere is 2 by 5 mr square, and moment of inertia of hollow sphere is this is 2 by 3 mr square. Okay? So this is mr square and 2 by 3 mr square. So the first one is of solid. First one is of solid sphere. Second one is of. Okay? So which of the following reaches first? Which will reach first means velocity will be more for which one? Velocity, or we can say acceleration. So we have this relation A equal to G sine theta upon 1 plus K square upon R square. Once we know the solid sphere and hollow sphere moment of inertia, we can find K square by R square, and depending upon K square by R square, the value of K square by R square will be less, then the acceleration will be more. So value of K square by R square is less for solid sphere. So there will be more for solid sphere, so A will be the answer. So this is all depending on K square by R square value. So angular momentum of a particle is conserved when net torque is equal to 0, B option. If the absolute temperature of a body is doubled, then the power radiated. So power, we know that radiated power radiated R is proportional to raised to power 4. This is Stephen's law. Stephen's-Boltzmann law, we have done this. Okay. So the power is proportional to T raised to 4. So the temperature is doubled. So if the temperature is doubled means 2T raised to 4. So 2T raised to 4 means 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is how much? 16. 16 times D. A particle is moving in a circle with uniform speed. Its motion is, it is periodic motion but not a simple harmonic, because it is a uniform speed, right? Uniform speed hai, so it will not be simple harmonic. So C option. It is periodic but not simple harmonic. The capacitance of a capacitor in a medium of dielectric constant compared to capacitance in air. So we know that C equal to A K epsilon naught by of medium. So Cm. If it is for air, so C air will be equal to A epsilon naught by D. तो दोनों फॉर्मूला में क्या फर्क है? इसमें K है, इसमें K नहीं है. So it will be K times. D option. Next, surface tension of a liquid at critical temperature. Now this is textbook MCQ. At critical temperature, the surface tension is 0. So this is also previous year question. This has been asked in board exam. So this is 0. The metal resistance dash with the temperature, while the semiconductor resistance often dash. So we know that metal, in case of metals, please remember, resistance is proportional to temperature. And in case of semiconductor, resistance is inversely proportional to temperature. So in case of metal, resistance dash with the temperature. With the temperature, the increase की बात चालू है. It is increasing with the temperature and it decreases for semiconductor. Semiconductor बोलो या insulator बोलो, दोनों के लिए it decreases. Remember, for metals, R is proportional to temperature. If R is proportional to temperature, then rho is also proportional to temperature. This is for metals. For metals, rho is also proportional to temperature, and sigma is inversely proportional to temperature for metals. Sigma is called as conductivity. Rho is called as resistivity. Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction is in accordance with conservation of energy. Energy is conserved. Equipotential surfaces do not intersect with each other because if they intersect each other, remember, if equipotential surfaces will intersect each other, they will give two directions at a single point. Means, if this is one equipotential surface and this is second equipotential surface, so they are intersecting. So, एक इधर जा रहा है, दूसरा इधर जा रहा है. So, there are two arrows. एक ही point के दो arrow तो नहीं हो सकते ना, तो किसी में भी नहीं है. So, it will give two. अगर intersect होगा तो दो directions मिलेंगे, जो कि possible नहीं है. किसी भी चीज का एक ही direction possible है. एक चीज के दो directions possible नहीं हो सकते, right? So, that will be option B. So, this is again from textbook. Magnetic field at a distance of 2.4 cm into 10 raised to minus 2 meter in a straight long wire of 16 microtesla. So B value is given 16 into 10. What must be the current? I का value पता करना है. So that the magnetic field due to a long straight wire, the formula is what? The formula is B equal to mu naught I by 2 pi R. So you rearrange the formula. So what do you get? So therefore I will be equal to B into 2 pi R divided by mu naught. So substitute the value. So when you substitute the value, you get D answer 1.92. Mu naught का value याद रखना है. Mu naught का value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. So you substitute that value. So B value is given to you. 2 pi R value is given to you. Mu naught का value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7.